This is what happens when you're a dad of two and TikTok is still in your age group. He's doing that Mama Odie TikTok. Good morning. We're so glad you're here, Bob.
My daily vlog. So if you like this video, come on back tomorrow.
My back still hurts real bad.
But you iced it, and you said that it's better than it's been.
Yeah, it's so bad though.
Yeah.
But we ordered pizza puffs, big ones.
Yes.
Just wait.
Right.
Just you
Ours
wait.
have no cheese. I think that's been the game changer, figuring out not putting cheese on things. And we're packing up, and I'm gonna go play outside now because now all we're gonna do now is soak up all our last bit of time.
We're gonna put our dirty clothes and our dirty skids in this. Oh, stinky. It's 11:15, 11:17. Pizza puffs are still not here. We're supposed to leave at noon. I also don't know where my Garmin watch is, but we're pretty much packed. Back seat is loaded. Thought we'd have more space, but that's a good thing because more stuff for James. But I really hope the pizza puffs get here soon.
Oh my goodness, it's a special lunch.
Just want to use?
Are you ready for your pizza puff? Yeah. Hopefully this isn't too shadowy, but I got mushrooms and sauce and jardiniere and garlic. No cheese. I love ketchup. These are from Grasano's in Burbank. How is it? Good? So clearly we hopped in the car today, drove a decent way, but we're already
Stopping for the day.
stopping for the day.
And we're not in Florida.
We're not in Florida. We are in fact in Michigan because, oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We haven't shared this. It was kind of like
last minute.
last minute.
A little bit of a surprise.
A little bit of a surprise.
But we're going to see the Erhardts.
The Erhardts moved from Iowa to Michigan, and we couldn't be just a couple of states away from each other and not see each other.
We'll leave from Michigan tomorrow to do the 2-day drive
To Florida.
and get home Sunday still. So we'll leave Saturday, spend some. We don't have anything booked Saturday night.
Yeah.
But book something probably on the road or figure it out.
Yeah. They had been invited to our baby shower, but their move happened to line up with the same week and it just wasn't going to work out. So we were like, we won't make it work. We are coming to you. So get ready for 2 Erhardt vlogs, not in Florida, in pure Michigan. Look at who we found! Can you believe it? We're not at the boardwalk.
They just got lost in the woods and
Yeah. Got some Disney music, all the chips,
a mini
all the
dipping
good.
station.
Yeah.
Is that funny? We've been looking at pictures of Eve. You're so big now. Nothing like indoctrinating Cordelia with Christmas in August.
Cordelia laugh. Do it. Chinese food.
And we're just going to do
Chinese food.
8-mile run after we eat this.
We're doing 16 after this.
You expect me to eat Chinese food? Do you know what that quote's from?
I don't.
It's from the show Growing Pains. Oh gosh. be chasing them. So we just had some dinner. Am I in focus? So we just ate dinner. Very full. I think the kiddies are gonna go to bed soon. We're gonna have a bonfire. In typical Peter fashion, he is riling the kids up, but they're nice and tired for bed.
Getting them ready for bed.
Yes. This is all they know. Crazy Peter. Oh gosh.
Very typical to the south side of Chicago. Carolyn and Sarah got to talking about family, and we had to verify with some extended family, but we just came to the realization that we've got family that is the family of the Erhardts. Distantly. So basically we're related, which explains why Ben and I are just two peas in a very strange pod. That is a laundry chute. The little things in life.
This is so cool.
If it was any bigger, I warned Ben that I was like, if it was any bigger, a child would end up down it.
So cool.
$5 says Ben and I end up in the bottom of this pit tonight. There's like a complete drop off. It's like 30, 40 feet down there.
The river is down there somewhere.
There's a creek?
The St. Joseph River that dumps into Lake Michigan is back
It's
here.
a big river.
I'm going to tonight.
Tonight.
We'll do the deed tonight. And we're getting the Eagle Scout's getting this ready. I am not allowed to touch any of this, but he's getting it safely prepared.
And we're doing some heavy drinking.
That is, how many of those do you drink a day?
Just one.
Oh, okay.
And I won't finish this.
I mean, it is 8. Is it a bad question? It's 8:41 p.m. and you walk out. You walk out with that, and I'm like,
I'm supposed to be here by then.
Carolyn has this app. What is it called? Sky Guide?
Sky Guide.
It's like you kind of see the brightness of it through the camera, but like that's Jupiter over there. That's
Yeah,
so
yeah,
cool.
here. There's Jupiter on the thing. That is accurate.
That's so cool.
it sounds like there's some kind of creature in the forest behind us.
Getting closer.
It's a bird.
God, you guys.
It's a bird or it's Bigfoot. Okay, they didn't tell us until after we came here that they had a monster in the forest the other day. Okay, I am a city boy, because this, walking outside, is very creepy. Okay, we're getting ready for bed, so I came out to the car to grab our bags. Oh, the camera's not showing it. The stars are absolutely unreal being out here in the middle of nowhere, Michigan. Look at this beautiful drawing, this photo we got colored for us.
That's a Katrina.
Ben did it all by himself.
Look at Carolyn's sweatshirt.
We are up way too late, and it's not our fault, it's their fault completely.
It's never our fault. It's all Sarah.
It's all Sarah.
No.
Should we sign off with our friends?
Sure.
Go that way. Go that way.
They're not gonna be in
Oh,
focus.
let's do it all together.
I smell like
It's
bonfire.
that bokeh.
It's that sweet bokeh.
That sweet bokeh. Where are you, Sarah?
Right here.
It's good to be home. Alright, so I know we signed off, but we are downstairs. We didn't actually want to do a whole house tour because when we were just like staring at each other's faces and embracing each other's friendship. Plus it's also like a rental house for them as they transition their life here in Michigan. But here's our room. We have like the basement to ourselves, so it's like there's the bathroom, there's the basement, rocket ships because rocket ships rule.
And brush my teeth.
Sarah's been wanting to brush her teeth all day, and it's 12:35 in the morning, and what better time to brush your teeth?
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.